I'm doing this is for a really good setup, and I'll show you what we have. Sorry about the last video that I shot the screen. All right, a box, big box, then styrofoam, then sticking up, then a little box, then a tissue box. Once again, big box, styrofoam box, little box, tissue box. And now I will test them out with my food. Sorry I'm doing so many videos on the Stinger P9, but you know, getting pretty bored. And yeah, here I'll show you how to do it. Here, beatings and tugs. Alright, here, let me get this set up. Alright, there's a little thing you open up right here. And yeah, you just will get this. Just shake it up. I'll do more videos on if I get a new gun before Christmas. I'll post a video on Christmas Day probably. Because yeah. That's because I'm pumping like a pumping you. As you may see, I'm drinking Powerade. Because I'm rich. I mean, people think I'm rich. People think I'm rich at my school. Yeah, I have another video on December 25th. Oh yeah, I forgot. Reload it. First, here, I'll try and shake up here. Yeah, I'm gonna try and shoot. Let's see if it went through. No, it didn't even go through. It only goes through the first layer. That's why it's good. Oh yeah, turn your speakers up. Oh my god, you see that? I shot it and it got stuck. Here, it's kind of hard to see. Here, I'll show you. Like, it's right there, but you can't see it because there's a crack. Yep, the little white thing right there. Tip of my finger. Yeah, it got stuck in there. If you see other BBs on the ground, I haven't been shooting. I just thought of it really. And yeah, I've been shooting before. Yeah, boy. One more, and I shoot the pin. With that aim. Yeah, that one's spinning. Alright, now this guy is going. Let's hope this does good. It actually is stuck in this styrofoam because I did not see a hole going through the other side. Yeah, cool thing is it'll get stuck. Actually, I think that's pretty cool. That's stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna try and spell my initials. I'm gonna do the close up. Nathan, do you know a kid named Jeremy something? And he's a sophomore, a freshman? Am I? Living in a lonely world. There's a C. See? Look, there's a baby. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in. My initials are RCT. Crap. Oh my god, it's not talking. Yeah, that's my beastly too. Yeah, it gets stuck whenever you don't have any bolts left, so that's a good indicator on there. One sec. None of them have actually gone through. Here, I'll show you mine. It's like connected up. Alright, that's the cardboard.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
CT, that's my initial C. Alright, now for the brown box.
Oh, that was close.
I'm actually gonna try and shoot shark kill me go. Whoa.
Oh god.
Ow! Mmm! Freaking came back in me now. Ah. Oh, you see that? Yeah. That is one powerful airsoft gun. Oh. Broke off again. That's what happened to it. One more try. Oh! Oh my god, it cracked. It cracked right there if you don't see it. Sorry about the back body. Yeah. No, but yeah. What the? That tore off the whole thing.
Holy shit, there were guys everywhere.
Holy shit. I hit my brother since he said the S word while I'm filming. Yeah. Okay, now my guy. Alright, there's no bolts there. You know how I know? Because it started raining. Never was. That's the only time in the game. What if it's like freezing cold out? Like. Ah! Alright, now for the tissue box. I've already done damage on it. Oh! Whoa, where did that shit? Oh, it's going out right there. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, so that's my review for a good airsoft setup. Good airsoft targets. Bye. He is got and he's running, but he's a retarded policeman. Here, let me try and get this off. Here is what left of the permanent marker. And it'd be also good to, yeah, to should on it. Bye.